And this joker right here will go. Let's fire it up. Fire that bad boy up. Let's go for a little ride. All right, guys, we're at 94 subscribers. We're almost at 100. Gonna break that milestone hopefully in the next week or so. So we thought we'd do a little celebration video for 100 subscribers and show you what we're doing when we're not working on the FJ40. Check this out. Oh yeah, we got us two little motorcycles here, mini bikes. This is a standard little doodlebug that we haven't done anything to. Just got a regular 97cc motor on it, but this one is the big daddy. We put a Predator 212 on it. We put a straight pipe header. Actually, we do have a little muffler on there that screws on and off. Got a header on there, got a wrap so it doesn't burn your leg. Put a special clutch on it. And this joker right here will go. All right, guys, hopefully by the time you're watching this, we have 100 subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Oh, yeah.